If you're looking to buy an amazing smartphone in the mid-budget range, we've got some exciting news for you. OnePlus is all set to expand its Nord series with the upcoming launch of the OnePlus Nord CE 5, the successor to the Nord CE 4. And guess what? The phone's features have already been leaked online before its official release. If you're as excited as we are about this awesome smartphone, make sure to stick around till the end of this video. Because today, we're diving deep into the full leaked specs, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's start. Features of OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Display. The OnePlus Nord CE 5 is expected to flaunt a massive 6.75-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display, with a crisp 2412 x 1080 pixel resolution. And that's not all. This beauty will support a 120 Hz refresh rate, 2160 Hz PWM dimming, and a blazing fast 240 Hz touch sampling rate, for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it comes with HDR10 Plus support, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for that premium feel. Camera setup. OnePlus is keeping it sleek with a dual rear camera setup on this beast. The back panel is rumored to feature a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-701 primary sensor, with OIS support, and an additional 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, to capture more in every frame. And for all you selfie lovers, a 32-megapixel front camera is ready to make your Instagram game strong. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Nord CE 5 is likely to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 octa-core processor, built on an efficient 4nm fabrication process. Paired with the Adreno 730 GPU, this phone is set to deliver flagship-level performance without breaking the bank. And yes, it's expected to run on the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Battery and charging. Powering this beast is a huge 5500 mAh battery, ensuring you stay unplugged all day long. And when it's time to recharge, 100-watt fast charging will juice it up in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, the OnePlus Nord CE 5 is expected to be priced around $300, making it a killer deal in the mid-range segment. As for the launch date, OnePlus might drop this phone by the end of this year. So, if you're planning an upgrade, this could be your next best bet.